Good morning. How to earn bitcoins without physically mining or without buying? I'll teach you how to do that. Today I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your hash power in Genesis Mining, which is one of the biggest mining company in the whole world. And I'm there. I have, as of today, and I have got 23 mH of Ethereum hash power, which is it translates to 23 into $30, so which would be around $690. Now today I'm going to upgrade it further so that my goal is to reach 1000 mH. Now I am at 23. I am going to upgrade it so that I am going there towards my 1000 mH. So here it is, the dashboard, and you see this button, upgrade hash power. Click that, and there are three mining options for you: open-ended Bitcoin mining, 2-year Ether mining, and 2 years Monero mining. As I am interested in Ether mining, I'll be upgrading this here. I can check this in dollars. Let's say 50 mH, $1,450. So if you buy 1 or 2 mH, it is $30. So when you are buying 50 mH, you are getting $50 discount, and also you can use somebody else's code also to get 3% discount. So this here is Bitcoin. I'm choosing Bitcoin so that I'll get to know how much Bitcoin I need to have 50 mH of mining power. So if you click it here, it shows you in dollars. If you click the Bitcoin, it shows in Bitcoin. So I'll have to find the exact amount so that I can check here in my wallet how much I got. I have 0.568 Bitcoin in my Exodus wallet, so I can use that for funding this 50 mH. So I can click the continue button. Okay, now here you have got an option to get 3% discount on your purchase. So you have to use somebody else's code. So what I am doing is, one of my teammates has sent me his code. I am using his code to get a discount. Let's see, you can copy paste as I have set it on my mobile. I am just typing it. Let me check whether I can validate this. I hope this first one is 0. Let me try validate. Am I getting it? Yes, promo code is valid. You get 3% discount. You can see it here. So this double check this so that you get instead of whatever I initially told, I am just paying 5.536. So I have just to agree to the terms and confirm order. Okay, confirm order, and now I can just wait for the QR code to appear. Okay, you can do, if it is in your mobile, you can just scan the QR code, or if it's your laptop only, you can just copy this code and put it in here. You have Bitcoin wallet. I am sending 0.0536 BTC to the copied address. Okay, double check what is the exact address. 1KRC, yeah. Now I have to go back and copy the exact amount of BTC I need. Copy this and go back here once again to Exodus and paste it. 0.536, more than half a Bitcoin. I'm sending it. Send $1,413.62. Send it. Done. You can hear that. It's sent. So I take this. You can just check it and you will see mine was 23 plus. Now what it will show, let's see. Yes, already 73 mH. 73 mH is 73 into $30. That is my total amount there is how much? Let me show you. 73.82. 73.82 into $30 is equal to $2,214. My money is there, $2,214 of my money, giving me Ethereum to my wallet directly, to my Exodus Ethereum wallet. So that's how I mine without mining. You can also participate in this. You can use my code, which will be in the description section of this video. You can use my code so that You can, once you use that and leave your discount code, once you get it in your affiliate section, I'll use it whenever I am buying hash power. So that's how I have upgraded, and this is one of the best opportunities. I have searched so many companies for a genuine mining company. This company is from Iceland. It has got a mining farm, huge mining farm, where they pay $1 million in electricity bill per month. And this owned or founder of this Genesis Mining is Marco Streng, one of the most genius person I have seen online, who has set this up, and it's backbreaking mining yourself. So it's easy, armchair mining. So you can do it. You can click the link in the description section, or you can go to my bitcoinmoney.me website. You will get all the details, also my link to join my hands with me in Genesis Mining. So I have put $2,200. I'll be upgrading often enough so that I can touch the $10,000, my goal. And I have put my money. It's not that I haven't put money and I'm asking you. So I believe in this company. I have the conviction this company is going to give me so much of money, and I already am earning. I got referral commission, I got mining profit, everything included. It's a wonderful journey for me, and I'm going to continue this. And I wish you could open your mind to this. And if you prefer to join my team, the link is below. Click the link, join my team, and we can learn and earn together as a team. Bye. Goodbye. God bless you.